Hey there, dreamers and doers. Gather round, because I've got a tale that's going to light a fire in your soul. It's a story about overcoming past mistakes and regrets, and trust me, it's one you won't forget. Once upon a time, in a bustling city full of towering skyscrapers and endless possibilities, there lived a boy named Alex. At just 12 years old, Alex had a gift that set him apart. He could draw like no one else. His sketches seemed to come to life on paper, capturing not just images, but emotions and dreams. Everyone said Alex was destined for greatness, but our young hero had a flaw. He was terribly impatient. One fateful day, Alex's art teacher announced a prestigious competition. The winner would get a scholarship to the city's best art school. Alex was thrilled. He knew this was his chance to shine. But as the deadline approached, Alex grew anxious. He wanted his entry to be perfect. The night before submissions were due, he stayed up late, erasing and redrawing, never satisfied. In his rush and frustration, Alex made a terrible mistake. He accidentally used permanent marker instead of pencil, ruining his masterpiece. Panicked and exhausted, he submitted an unfinished sketch. The results came in. Alex didn't even place. His dream of attending the art school crumbled. Devastated, Alex stopped drawing altogether. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months. His sketchbooks gathered dust, and his once vibrant imagination dimmed. But remember, friends, this is not where our story ends. This is where it truly begins. One day, while cleaning his room, Alex found his old sketchbook. As he flipped through the pages, something stirred inside him. He realized that his mistake hadn't erased his talent or his passion. That's when Alex took 3 crucial steps that would change everything. 1. He acknowledged his mistake. Alex finally admitted, "I messed up, but that doesn't make me a failure." 2. He learned from it. He understood that rushing and perfectionism had been his downfall. He began to appreciate the process of creating, not just the result. 3. He took action. With a deep breath, Alex started drawing again. This time, he embraced imperfections and learned from every stroke. Alex entered more competitions, but with a new attitude. He didn't always win, but he always learned. His art evolved, becoming richer and more soulful with every piece. 2 years later, the same prestigious competition came around again. Alex entered, pouring his heart and newfound wisdom into his work. The day of the announcement arrived. Alex stood in the crowd, heart pounding. And the winner is Alex Thompson! Alex had done it. But he realized something important. The real victory wasn't the scholarship. It was the journey of growth and self-discovery. Now I know what you're thinking. That's just a story. But isn't every great achievement first born as a story we tell ourselves? Your story is still being written. And like Alex, you have the power to turn the page on your past mistakes. So here's my challenge to you. 1. Think about a mistake that's been holding you back. 2. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? 3. Then, take one small action today to start rewriting your story. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What's the first step you'll take to overcome your past mistake? Remember, every master was once a disaster. Your mistakes don't define you, they refine you. If this story ignited a spark in you, don't let it fade. Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep creating, and remember, your greatest masterpiece might just be the life you create after your biggest mistake.